How to set up two-factor authentication on Payoneer. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for payoneer.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log in to your account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your account name right over here, then tap on settings. Inside settings, go ahead and tap on security settings. And then inside here, scroll below, then you'll be able to find two-step verification. You want to go ahead and tap on turn on and then type in your mobile number. Once you have typed in your mobile number, tap on turn on. Now after that, you simply want to go ahead and type in the code that is sent to you on your mobile number. Go ahead and type it in and then tap on submit. And as you can see that your two-step verification is now turned on. And that is how you can set up two-factor verification on Payoneer. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.